SICK tri-spector gives us the advantage of not being as sensitive to light and color. We can read a white, blue bag, all blue, all red, clear. It's a lot less touchy using the 3D camera. The advantage of the robotic infeed is bag skewing is a big advantage. So we're gonna have products coming in twisted, sideways, skewing up to 85 degrees, plus or minus. So a variable pitch case metering is going to allow us to bring in the cases pitched at any index we want. It allows us to optimize the amount of cases in the load zone that we have. It'll allow for us to load on the fly or intermittent motion, as well as spread the cases out for optimal loading. Advantages over intermittent motion or case gating or trailing flight is it's just a much smoother system. Allows us again to bring them in pitched on a minimal gap to bring in more cases to a load zone. So the TriVex DL, we paired up with Fanuc. These are Fanuc's M2 robots. They give us a higher rate at speeds up to and tested at 80 picks a minute for flexible packaging. They're handling up to 32-ounce bags. We do have options to go to a heavier payload. Fanuc's got a DR3 that'll do an 8 kg payload. The frame is a 6x6 frame. It's a large frame designed to handle a lot of robust and repetitive movement with large payloads. It'll eliminate the shake that typically will come from the deltas going back and forth at high rates. This frame is one solid frame, so when it's built at Douglas, the whole thing gets lifted up on a skid. It's not broken into sections. That way when it arrives at your facility, it's going to be a more reliable system. It is set into place, it's leveled, and it's good to go. Large driver of this project is to reduce the changeover. This machine has one changeover point. This will adjust the cross machine for the case conveyance. Otherwise, there's zero manual changeover points after that.